Dear student, before starting our chapter, we are watching here some animated diagrams of solid state. So this one is the crystal structure of diamond. Here one carbon is connected with another 4 carbon tetrahedrally, and this arrangement repeats again and again in the structure. You can see here some diagrams are given. So we will discuss first about it. Now this one structure BCC, body centered close pack arrangement. You can see 4 green colored atoms are on the corner of the cube and blue color atom is in the center of the cube. So this pattern design structure is called BCC. This one also of cesium chloride and cesium bromide. In the crystal of cesium chloride or cesium bromide, chloride are lying on the corner of the cubes, where cesium is lying at the center of the cube. So this structure also for cesium chloride and cesium bromide also. This one is a tetrahedral voids. Voids occurs between 4 spheres, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is called tetrahedral voids. Voids occurs between 4 spheres. It is called a tetrahedral voids. This one is octahedral voids. Octahedral. Octahedral means 3 spheres and 3. Total 6 spheres. Voids occur between 6 spheres. It is called the octahedral. You can see 3 blue colored sphere is downward and 3 saffron colored sphere upward. Between these 6 spheres, all occurs, voids occurs. It is called the octahedral voids. Understood? This one diamond. This one simple cubic lattice. 8 spheres are only lying at the corner of the cube. That is called a primitive, otherwise a simple cubic lattice. Now this one is BCC again. 5 colored sphere is on corner and red in center of the cube. This one is FCC. White color are on the corners and red colored is on center of the face, not center of the cube. Is lying down, face centered. Once again, this one is a BCC, body centered close pack. This one also body centered, clear view. 8 spheres are at corner and one of them in body centered. This one hexagonal. First layer having 7 sphere. On second layer there are 3 and once again 7. So AB type of layers are repeating here. NaCl, rock salt. This one FCC, clear view. Sphere are lying down on the corner and on the face center. NaCl having the FCC structure. We will discuss about it. Chloride is huge in size. So chloride are lying down at the corners and face center. Na plus is small in size, is lying down at the edges and on the face center. NaCl, rock salt. Here comparison between FCC and hexagonal close pack. FCC એટલે cubic close pack package. Here layer A having 7 sphere, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Layer B having 3. 7 upon 3 is arranged. This one is top view. From the top both appears same. 7 and upon 3 both appear same. Here third layer is similar with the first layer. A, 1 sphere right, 2 behind. Then 7, 1 right, 2 behind. AB structure. Here A, then B and C. Our layer C is slightly different than layer A and B. Now here you can see AB repeating layers gives hexagonal close packing. Here you can see 1 sphere is height, 2 behind, then 7, 2 right, 2 in front, 1 in behind. So C is slightly different than layer A. So when ABC layer repeats, then it gives face center cubic structure. This one also you can see. Here AB type of layers are repeating. In FCC, ABC. In both cases, coordination number are 12. This one, middle one sphere is surrounded by 6. And 3 of downward, 3 of upward. So 12. This one also surrounded by 6 of same plane. 3 of downward, 3 of upward. So in both cases, coordination number are 12. Yes, hexagonal exact diagram. A7, then B3 and AB type of layers are repeating. Clear view of hexagonal. 7 sphere of first layer, then after 3 and then after 7. This one also hexagonal. Now come to our point of packing efficiency. What is packing efficiency? In whatever way the constituent particle, atom, molecules or ion are packed, there is always some free space in the form of voids. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. Let us calculate the packing efficiency in different type of structure. We discussed in any cube, it has a particular volume. It is clear. So volume of the cube means length, breadth and height. But in cubic, all are same. So volume will be a cube. Length, breadth and height gives volume of the cube. But actually when we arrange this, some sphere into it, but some space remains vacant. આપણે સ્ફિયરને બાજુમાં અરેન્જ કરીએ તો આવા સ્ફિયરની વચ્ચે વેકેન્ટ સ્પેસ હોય છે. Actually a sphere બધો જ portion of the cube is not occupied by the sphere. So how much portion of the cube is occupied by sphere? That is called the packing efficiency. That is called the packing efficiency. So here in our syllabus there are 3 packing efficiency. First one about efficiency of hexagonal close pack and cubic close pack. Second one about BCC structure, efficiency of BCC structure, and third one is primitive structure. Packing efficiency in hexagonal close pack and cubic close pack. Both type of close packing, HCP or CCP, equally efficient. Let us calculate the efficiency of packing in CCP structure. First, front view of FCC. It's like this. 4 sphere at the corner, and 1 sphere is center of the plane. Front view. Here is a side view. It's not a proper, you can see. Why? Actually this one touches to all 4 sphere of the same plane. But remember, these 2 sphere at corner are not touching to each other at the edges. Remember, in the FCC structure, we can't get our edge length A properly because sphere are lying on the corner of the FCC structure, are not touching to each other at the edges. So we have to first count. Now listen. A, B, C and D. Yes, this one A, this one A. Suppose this one B. Hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. In triangle ABC, measurement of angle B is 90. So, due to Pythagoras hypotenuse, this one due to Pythagoras AB square and BC square is equal to AC square. Clear? So AB square is here A, edge length, plus this one also A square, but AC is equal to B square. AB is edge length of cube, BC is also edge length, but B is not edges but is hypotenuse, so B square. So 2A square is equal to B square. Then we are simplifying, we are removing square, we are taking square root, so root 2 into A is equal to B. But here you can see B is equal to 4R. Why? Here 4 times radius. 1, 2, yes, 2 radius of middle one and 2 radius of corner. So total 4R. So root 2A is equal to 4R. So A is equal to 4R upon root 2. So edge length now 2 into 2 into r upon root 2. 2 means 2 times root 2 also we can take. So root 2 cut. So our edge length is याद रखो for numericals edge length in FCC structure is 2 root 2 r. So now volume of cube is a cube 2 root 2 r cube 8 root 2 3 times and r cube root 2 means 2 8 to the 16. So this is our volume of the cube. If 16 into root 2 r cube total volume is occupied by sphere, then packing efficiency will be 100%. But in FCC structure, number of atoms are 4. How? 8 are on corners, but not of it. 1 by 8 portion 8 times it equal to 1, and on face center 1 half having 6, so total 4 sphere. So volume of one atom we know, volume of sphere, one sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So total volume of 4 atoms 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 16 by 3 pi r cube. This is actual volume occupied by 4 sphere જેટલું volume occupied થાય. Now calculation 16 into root 2 r cube is equal to 100%. આટલું volume occupied થાય તો 100%. But 16 by 3 pi r cube at how much? 16 by 3 pi r cube into 100 upon 16 r cube. So pi into 100 upon 3 into root 2. So 3.14 into 100, 1.414 is equal to 74%. So in this case FCC 74% volume is occupied by a sphere and 26% void remains there. 26% space remains vacant. Now this is packing efficiency. What type of close packing we discussed, HCP and CCP. Let us calculate the efficiency in packing in CCP. Figure 1.24, let the unit cell edge length be A and length H and free diagonal AC is a B. This one is B diagonal. In triangle ABC angle B is 90, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So A square plus A square gives 2A square is equal to B square. So B is equal to, so B square is equal to 2A square. So B is equal to under root 2A. If R is the radius of the sphere, we find here B length of our diagonal 4 times R. So B is equal to R. These 2 times R. 1 time, 4 times R, 4R. So 4R is equal to root 2A. So A is equal to 4R upon root 2. So A will be 2 root 2R. Underline it. We can also write R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Both are same. We know that each unit cell in the CCP structure has efficiency 4 sphere. In this type of structure, there are 4 sphere. 1 due to corners and 3 due to face center. Total for 1 sphere volume having 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 sphere having 16 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of the cube is a cube. So 2 root 2 r cube. So packing efficiency, volume occupied by 4 sphere in the unit cell into 100 upon total volume of the unit cell. So it will be 16 pi r cube by 3 into 100, 16 to root 2 r cube cut. So when we simplify, so answer will be 74%. So we can say 74% area of the cube is covered by sphere and 26% area remains vacant. Now in second BCC structure, body centered. Yes. Efficiency of packing in body centered cubic structure. From figure 1.25, it is clear that atom at the center will be in touch with the other 2 atoms diagonally arranged. In the BCC structure, when we take first layer, so you can see these 4 are not touching to each other, but second layer no middle one touches to lower 4. Now another 4, so middle one is touching 8, but in the cube corner sphere are not touching at the edges. But this one is not a face center, this one is a body centered. So body centered sphere, it touches to another 2 sphere in the diagonal condition. So first we have to derive edge length. We can't derive edge length directly here. Why? Our sphere is not touching each other at the edges. So that is the problem. Here we are taking triangle. So this one is a diagonal B, and for this triangle diagonal is a C. First you can see here 2 diagonal is taken, B and C. Remember, once again, in the structure of BCC, in the structure of body centered, 8 spheres are lying at the corners of the cube and 1 at the center of the cube. It is clear? Here our cube is cube. Cube means length, breadth and height are same. It is assumed A. Here center of sphere A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. This one is a hypotenuse C. This one is a B. From in the clear that diagonally arranged touch with in triangle EFD. First we are taking E, F and D. Here angle E is 90. So A square plus A square is equal to B square. Diagonal is B. Edges is AA. A square plus A square is equal to B square. Clear? So here b is equal to, we are simplifying, we are taking root term. So root of b square gives b, here root 2a, root 2a of c. Now in triangle AFD, yes, about A, F and D, here D is 90. This one is diagonal. So a square plus b square is equal to c square. C square is equal to a square plus b square. But b square is equal to 2a square. So a square plus 2a square is equal to 3a square. So c is equal to, c square is equal to 3a square. So c is equal to root 3a. But here c is given 4 times r. 2 times radius of middle one and 2 radius of due to corners. So there are 4 r. So here we are taking c as a 4r. So our edge length will be 4r upon root 3. Understood? This one a, this one a. પહેલા b ડેરાઇવ કરવાનો, એટલે આ 90 છે એટલે a સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ a સ્ક્વેર b સ્ક્વેર મળી ગયું, અને b એટલે રૂટ 2a થશે. હવે આ ટ્રાયેંગલ લઈએ સેકન્ડ a d f, એમાં આ 90 છે એટલે a સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ b સ્ક્વેર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ c સ્ક્વેર. વેલ્યુ ઓફ b સ્ક્વેર ઇઝ we are putting here. So 2a square plus 2a square gives 3a square. So c is equal to 3a, root 3a. And c is 4r. So a is equal to 4r upon root 3. Otherwise r is equal to root 3a by 4. Radius of this sphere, we can say. In this type of structure, total number of atoms is 2 and the volume is in the BCC structure. Tell me how many spheres are present. One of the center of cube, it is individual, its own, and due to corners 1 by 8, 8 times. So 1 plus 1 total 2 sphere. So volume of one sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. For the 2 sphere it will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the cube, a cube will be equal to 4r upon root 3 cube. So a cube, now you can see at the volume of sphere, a volume of cube, a cube. A is 4r upon root 3 all raised to cube. So cube of 4, 64 r cube, root 3 times 3 root 3. So here you can see packing efficiency, volume occupied by the sphere in the unit cell. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100. And now 64 divided by 3 root 3 r cube cut. And when we simplify, so it gives 68%. So in the body centered cubic space with reference to our cube, volume occupied by the sphere, એટલે કે ટોટલ જે વોલ્યુમ હોય ક્યુબનું એના રેફરન્સમાં આ જે બોલ્સ છે સ્ફિયર એને 68% પોર્શન આનો કવર કરેલો હશે. Then how much portion is remaining vacant? 32% space is vacant as a voids. 32% voids હોય છે અને 68% છે એ ઓક્યુપાઈડ હોય છે. Now, taking efficiency in a simple cubic lattice. In a simple cubic lattice, atoms are located only on the corner of the cube. The particles touch each other along the edge. A simple cubic primitive cell is one of the simplest. Only spheres are lying at the corners and all the spheres are touches each other at the edges. હવે આપણે એને સમજીએ. We can describe. We are taking simple cube. Spheres are at the corners, but all the spheres are touches at the edges. So we can directly derive the edge length from the radius. Both spheres are touching. In the case of HCP and BCC, spheres are not touching on the edges. Here, in the simple cubic arrangement, both spheres are touching each other. So edge length is equal to 2r. So volume of our cube, simple cube, should be a cube. So 2r cube. So 8r cube. But in the simple cubic cell, how many spheres are present there? Due to 8 corners, 8 into 1 by 8, it is 1. So volume of one sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we know taking efficiency is equal to volume occupied by the sphere into 100 upon total volume of the cube. So r cube cut. So 5 by 6 into 100. So 52.36. 52.4% space is occupied by the sphere and remaining portion remains vacant. So packing efficiency of the simple cubic unit cell is very less and highest of FCC or CCP. Now you can see once again, in a simple cubic lattice, atoms are located only on the corners of the cube. The particle touches each other along the edges. Thus the edge length of side of the cube A and the radius of each particle R at related as A is equal to 2R. The volume of the cubic unit cell should be A cube, length, breadth and height. In cube, it is the same, length, breadth and height. So A cube, 2R cube, 8R cube. Since a simple cubic unit cell, only one atom. The volume occupied space is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So you can see all the spheres are lying at the corners A, P, C, D, E. F is behind, G and H. You can see on edges every sphere are touching each other. So here volume edge length will be suppose A. So it gives 2 times radius. Taking efficiency, volume of one atom up into 100 upon volume of cubic unit cell 4 by 3 pi r cube 8r cube into 100. So pi by 6, 52.36 and 52.4%. Thus we may and remaining portion How much? 47.6% remains vacant. Only 52.4% is occupied. We may calculate that CCP, SCP of maximum packing efficiency, yes, 74%. In BCC 68, here only 52.4. Calculation involving the unit cell dimensions. From the unit cell dimension, we are going to calculate the density of the crystal. We are going to calculate the density of the unit cell. From the unit cell dimensions, it is possible to calculate the volume of the unit cell. From the unit cell dimension, it is possible to the volume of unit cell if એટલે કે તમને length, breadth અને height given હોય તો બહુ naturally છે એનું volume define થાય. It is clear? Knowing the density of the metal, we can calculate the mass of the atom in the unit cell. So density known હોય so we can define atomic mass of the atom. It is clear? The determination of the mass of a single atom given an accurate method of determination of Avogadro constant. And એક single પેલા આપણને molecular atomic mass મળે. When atomic mass is divided by Avogadro number, so it gives mass of one single atom. It gives a mole atomic mass. એટલે 1 mole atom no mass આપે. We can derive mass of 1 mole atom. We are dividing by Avogadro number, so it gives mass of one single atom. Suppose edge length of unit cell of cubic crystal determined by X-ray diffraction is A. હવે આ distance એટલે edge length of the unit cell we can define by X-ray diffraction. We are passing X-ray throughout the crystal and it gives 2 points on the spectroscope. With help of electronics instrument we can derive edge length. D. The density of the solid substance. M is the molar mass in case of cubic crystal. And volume of the unit cell. Yes, if our taken unit cell is a cubic, means length, breadth and height are same. So A into A into A cube is volume of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell. Number of atoms in the unit cell into mass of each atom. Yes, it is clear. હવે આ યુનિટ સેલ છે એનું વોલ્યુમ કેમ મળે અને જો એ ક્યુબિક હોય એટલે કે એની લેન્થ, બ્રેથ અને હાઇટ સેમ હોય. So length into breadth into height, it gives a cube. For the getting mass of the unit cell, આનો આપણે mass મેળવવું હોય. How can we derive mass? Number of atoms in the unit cell. How many atoms, actual atom present in the unit cell and mass of each atom. Z is the number of atoms and M is mass of single atom. Here Z is the number of atom present in the unit cell, M is the mass of single atom. Mass of an atom present in the unit cell. How can we derive this? એક સિંગલ એટમનું માસ કેમ મળે હમણાં કીધું. મોલર માસ ડિવાઇડ બાય એવોગાડ્રો નંબર. So everybody knows the density is equal to mass of unit mass upon volume. Here density of unit cell means mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. So mass of unit cell is equal to, we discuss here, Z into M. Then volume of unit cell, so A cube. M means mass of one atom. So mass of one atom means molar mass upon Avogadro number. We are simplifying. So Na here with A cube. This one gives the density of our cube. Remember, the density of the unit cell is the same as the density of the substance. Underline it and store in your mind. Remember, we are defining the density of the unit cell, which is also density of the substance. Why? Unit cell is one of the smallest part which repeats in throughout substance, throughout the crystal. So density remains same throughout the solid. The density of the solid can always be determined by other methods. Out of the 5 parameters, density, here Z is the number of atom per unit cell. Capital M indicates the atomic mass. A, age length, Na, Avogadro number. If any 4 are known, we can determine the 5th. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parameters are given in our formula. Out of 5, 4 is known and 5th one we can easily define. Now, an element has a body central cubic structure with a cell age of 288 picometer. The density of the element is 7.2. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? This one most time question. First, our structure is BCC. So, per unit cell, atoms will be 2. It is clear? In the BCC structure, 8 are on corners, and due to corner, that is 1, and one of them on the center of the cube. 1 plus 1, 2. Z is given, Z2. Age length is given, age. For the numericals, we have to collect data from the question. So we are here collecting some data. 288 picometer. Now store in your mind. This one in picometer. So we are converting into meter. So 10 raised to minus 12. Here density. This one in MKS. Once again we are converting into CGS. Why? Density is in CGS. Units should be in same form. Meter multiply by 100. So it gives centimeter. Density 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. And mass of the crystal is 208. So volume of the unit cell 288 picometer cube. Volume A cube 288 pico. Pico is converting into meter. So 10 raised to minus 12. Here meter is converting into centimeter. Multiply by 10 and all raised to cube. So 2.39 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube is our volume of the unit cell. Now, volume of the unit cell is given already. Now, volume of 208 gram of the element with help of density, because density given. Density is equal to mass upon volume. So, volume is equal to mass upon density. 208 gram upon 7.2. So 28.88 centimeter cube. So number of unit cell in this volume. Volume of 208 gram of the element. So you can see this one is a simple ratio. This is volume of 1 unit cell. This volume means 1 unit cell. So at this volume, how much? The 2.39 10 raised to minus 23 is equal to 1 unit cell. So at 28, direct લખેલું છે. 8.88 centimeter cube, how much? The 28.88 divided by 2.39 10 raised to minus 23, 12.08 into 10 raised to 23 unit cells આવશે. Since each BCC cubic cell contains 2 atoms, so the number of atoms in 208 gram. So unit cell, એક unit cell માં number of atoms 2 છે. So 1 unit cell contains 2 atoms in BCC. So 12.08 into 10 raised to 23, how much? Understood? 12.1 unit cell, which is BCC, it contains 2 atoms. So at 12.08 10 raised to 23 atoms, how much atoms are present? 24.16 into 10 raised to 23 is our answer. Now you have to do homework seriously. You have to revise our numericals. Now we will start our next question from the next lecture. Goodbye. Jai Hind. We will meet tomorrow.